What's up, guys? It's your girl Ken. I'm back with another YouTube video, as you can see by the title below. So today's video, I am doing another lip gloss making video. So in the video right now, I'm just like, sanitizing some stuff down, wiping off like the little oily bits that's on my mixing spoon. I have my mixing bowl, I have my 3 colors, I have all purple shades, I have my turning powder, give it the shimmer, and I have my scent. So right now I am going to be adding hand sanitizer on my glove. Before I put my hands in those gloves, I wash my hands. So during the video and not the video, I will be talking, but I'm not going to be talking the whole time, so y'all don't be hearing my voice too much. So I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. So right now I'm putting my TKB tray inside of my bowl. I did not measure how much that I put. I just squeezed out how much I think I should put inside the bowl. So now y'all, this is a life hack. You take something and you squeeze the stuff. Well, you want to get every bit of lip gloss base outside, because outside the bag, if you're using it, because you spend a lot of money on this and you're not getting your money worth, leaving all that stuff in the bag. Don't do it. Get your spoon, get your spatula, and squeeze that gel out of that bag, y'all. I promise y'all it's worth it. So right now I'm going to be adding my extra virgin olive oil. It's very, very good for the lips. These are all natural ingredients and they are not harmful. I measure my olive oil. So off camera I did a lot of mixing and I added the powder, the transfer powder. It was purple, but as you can see it just turned it to yellowish, so it wasn't a color changing. So I have 2 purples that I'll be using. The other purple was too dark for me, so I put it back. So I'm adding the amount that I want. I'm going to take the spoon and I'm going to go inside and dump it inside my bowl. So I mixed off the camera so it can come out to how I want. I used a pomegranate scent. So I washed my So I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut both ends. I'm going to put it on my syringe. Yes, I washed my syringe, but from the last video or the last lip gloss, the a little bit didn't come out the syringe as much, so you want to see that. No, it's not going to affect me making lip glosses or anything. Giving out the disclaimer. It's not going to even change the color or anything. Purple is just going to go up inside the syringe and take over the little bit of blue, and I'm going to put it into the lip gloss and everything will be fine. So we're doing a squeeze method. When you squeeze it, you add it, you squeeze it. So every lip gloss can get in the corner so people can get their money worth. Because this lip gloss is worth you guys' time. So guys, it wasn't working with me trying to sit it up and let me scoop it out, so I had to put it somewhere else and scoop it out. So that's what you will see in the video. And also giving you guys heads up, I will not be putting the tube tops on, the top or the caps on during the video. I'm gonna do it off camera. But this is how the lip gloss turned out. Purple. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe.